Yeah.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Arthur Garcia, and I'll be performing my written demonstration on how to do the subcutaneous medication administration. But before that, I must first check the doctor's order and also the MAR. This is to ensure that we're going to administer the medication into the right patient and also that we are administering the right medication. When um when checking for the medication, we're going to follow the three checks, which is when it is taken from the cart before withdrawing and also after withdrawing. Then after that, I will be going to organize my equipment. So I have here my alcohol, my medication, my pre-filled insulin syringe, my cotton balls, the micropore tape, alcohol swab, and also my working gloves. Now I'm going to perform hand hygiene. Then I'm going to provide client privacy by closing the door and closing the curtains. Then I'm going to introduce myself to the patient, verify the patient's identity. Okay, so good morning, ma'am. My name is Arthur Garcia, and I'll be your student nurse for today. So, may I know your full name po and your birthday? Okay. So, today, ma'am, we're going to administer a medication in a subcutaneous route. So, we're going to inject a medication to your fats. So, you will be feeling a slight pain, and also it will eventually go away after that. Do you have any question or clarification? Okay. So now I will be assisting the client the position which the arm, leg, or the abdomen to be used. So we're going to use the abdomen, and this is this abdomen part. Then obtain assistance in an uncooperative patient. Now that I've already explained the purpose and the procedure, now I'm going to select a clean site free from tenderness, lesions, and swollen. Okay, so now that I've already select a site, now I'm going to clean it with an alcohol swab. Next is I'm going to wear gloves to prevent the cross infection. Now that I've already wear my gloves and also clean the site using the alcohol swab, now I'm going to place a cotton swab into my third or fourth finger, and then I'm going to remove the needle cap. So using my pre-filled insulin syringe, I'm going to remove the cap. Then I'm going to gasp using my dominant hand in 45 degrees. And then using my non-dominant hand, I'm going to pinch or spread the skin. And then I'm going to insert or inject the insulin. Okay, tusok na po ako, ma'am. In a 45 degrees. Okay, done na po. Then I've already removed the needle and also carefully inject the medication. Now if bleeding, we are going to apply pressure with cotton or gauze. Then after that, I'm going to use supplies and the sharps, and then assist patient in a comfortable position. And then I'm going to remove my gloves and perform hand hygiene. Assess the effectiveness of the medication. So, ma'am, do you feel any pain, or did you feel that there's a slight pain in your body? Okay, ma'am. So if you have any concerns, ma'am, or clarification, you can ask your doctor po. Okay, so thank you for cooperation, ma'am. And then document the name of the patient, the route, and the dosage given. And that's it. Thank you.